ang sinasabi ni Lord dito, uses the analogy of a tree and the fruit. By their fruits, you will know them. By their fruits. Kaya lang nga lang sa ating panahon na may mga genetically modified fruit na puro mga fruit natin, puro seedless. Convenient nga naman, seedless, pero hindi mo na maitatanim. You know, a tree gets rotten not overnight. Hindi naman nabubulok at namamatay ang puno overnight. It usually would take time. And sabi nga, yung mga puno na ang lalaki, tapos isang ihip lang ng hangin, bumagsak. Bakit? Bulok na pala sa loob. Wala na palang laman sa loob. And that's why it's important, brothers and sisters, what the Lord is saying, na doon pa lamang sa kalooban natin, we should deal with that already. Bata pa, may good manners and right conduct na. Bata pa, tinuturuan na ng pagiging mabuting tao. And so, how you plant them, that's how you will reap them later on. But let it be for us now, brothers and sisters, that naniniwala naman ako na lahat ng tao ay mabuti. Napapansin lang natin itong mga ganito. But people are generally good people. Yun nga lang, ipakita natin yung ating kabutihan rather than for the dark side of us or the gray side of us dahil lang para lang magpakita sa ibang kapwa. No need. There's only two eyes na kailangan nating i-impress. There are only two eyes na kailangan nating i-please. And those are the eyes of God, who sees us whether we are outside or we are inside in our hearts. Amen.